queen will come at dawn. She'll be waiting in Kingston Town. She'll be waiting in Kingston Town. Right now.
Back with Sherry on a tour experience around Jamaica. So, guys, I can appreciate in this tour bus it's very hot, and I've asked the driver to turn up the air conditioning, so bear with us. Sally and Jessica, yeah, I don't even know why you've still got your jumpers on. No wonder you're crying out for air conditioning. Honestly, I despair. Right then, so let's focus. We are now leaving Kingston. It was amazing. Would you agree? Absolutely fantastic, a lot to see there, and we're heading south across the island to Clarendon. This stop is not just another location on the map, guys. This is where my father was born, raised by my nan and my granddad, God rest their souls. They're no longer with us, unfortunately. This part of the journey is deeply personal. When I was younger, I used to visit them often, so often. I loved going to Jamaica. I remember going down to the river to Beard. I used to go to the river. It was fabulous. It was just a different way of living, you know, playing, climbing through the bushes, and just feeling completely free, guys. Really. It was amazing. Being here is not just about seeing a place. It's about feeling a connection, you know, that has always been a part of me and my life. So this next one is for my nan and granddad, for every memory, every visit, every moment that brought me back. Sometimes you don't realize, you know, how deep your roots go until you return to them, which I think is important if you can, you know what I mean? So let's just pause for a moment and take this in properly. Moments like this remind us how blessed we really are. Would you agree that you're blessed, guys? We really are blessed, and we need to give thanks. And if you are not religious, just give gratitude and just ground yourself in knowing that life is short. People are around us, they come and go. And if you love them, tell them today, we are blessed. I love you, Nan and Granddad, and I miss you.
Yes, I just the blessing. I just the blessing. Father God blessing. Well, more blessing. I just the blessing. I just